Today's lesson is lesson 51, constructing a number line. So a number line is a line with numbers. Sometimes number lines are numbered by ones, like you'll see in a classroom. And sometimes they're numbered by tens, like a thermometer is. They can be numbered by hundreds, by fives, or by twos. So we're going to look at a number line that is numbered by ones and a number line that is numbered by twos. Okay, so we're going to draw this number line. We're going to start off by first drawing a line here on my whiteboard. Okay, and I've already got the line drawn. Remember, a line has arrows at both ends to show that our line keeps going even though we've stopped drawing. To start off, we're going to put a small line like this near the left arrow. We're going to call this 0. And this is our starting point. And I'll write the number 0 below that mark. All the numbers on our number line will need to be the same distance apart, just like the numbers on our rulers. So I'm going to use this little square over here that I've created. You can use an eraser, you can use a marker, you can use a pencil, anything to try to get the same distance. Okay, so I'm going to fill in the number line to count, and then we're going to count by ones while we do it. So that's 0, and then we have 1. Move my eraser. We have 2. 2. And move it the same distance each time. 3. 4, all the way up to 8. Okay. All right. So for the next number line, we're going to mark it by 2s. So I'm going to first start off with my mark for 0, and I'm not going to take the time to measure it on this one, but it's a good idea to continue to space the lines evenly apart. I'm going to do the best I can. So we're going to count by 2. So we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All right. So next I'm going to go back to my first number line. And I'm going to put a dot on my number line at number 6. And I'm going to call this point A. Okay. Now we're going to put another point on here on number 4 and call this point B. And then we're going to put a point at number C, or a point at number 3 and call it C. We sometimes put points on the number line if we want to show information. Okay, so on this number line, when we're counting by 2s, then again I'm going to put them on the same spots. So A is going to go on 6, B is going to go on 4, and C still needs to go on 3. But as you can see, I don't have a number 3 on my line. But I know that 3 is halfway in between 2 and 4. So my dot should go halfway between the two of them, like that. So here I have a new number line. And if I asked you where is point L, you would look for point L and look at the number beneath it. So L would be at number 2. Maybe I might ask what letter is between the numbers 3 and 6. Well, the only letter in between the two is M, which is at number 5. Okay. I might get a question that says, which point is less than 10 and greater than 7? So if it's less than 10, that means it has to be smaller than 10, but bigger than 7. And the only one that fits that description is point P. The last question might say, what point is greater than 5 but less than 8? And the only letter in between those numbers is letter N. And that's how you draw and put points on a number line. Good luck on your homework.